Hello, dear children. Welcome back to our computer class. Children, in last class, we have completed our chapter 2 Memory and Storage. Now, today, we will do exercise in textbook of this chapter. So, open page number 17, 1717 in your textbook and be ready with your pencil and eraser to fill answers in exercise. Let's start. Brain Developer exercise of chapter 2. Question A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. A computer stores all its dash and dash in its storage space. What computer stores? Yes, data and instruction. Here two blanks are there. So in first, write answer data, and in second, write answer instructions. So number 1 blanks answer are data and instructions. Write in a good handwriting. Number 2. A dash memory is used to store the information for a long period. Which memory can store information for long time? Yes, external. So write down answer 2 is external. Number 3. The computer memory consists of many storage locations that have unique dash. Memory has unique addresses. So answer 3 is addresses. So write down answer 3 addresses. Number 4. The primary memory is of two types, dash and dash. Which are primary memories? Yes, RAM and ROM. So write first RAM and second ROM. Here RAM and ROM. Very good. Number 5. A CD can store up to dash MB of data. CD can store how many MB of data? Yes, 700 MB. So write down answer 700 in number 5 blanks. Question B. State true or false. Number 1. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. This is the full form of RAM or not? No, because here accept word is wrong. This is the full form of RAM is Random Access Memory. That's why it is false. So write down in the box answer false. F-A-L-S-E, false. You have to write in the box. If it is going out of box, then it's okay, no problem. But you have to write the whole spelling in the box given here in good handwriting. Okay. Number 2. Memory card is approximately of the size of a postage stamp. Is it right? Yes, the size of memory card is of postage stamp. So write down answer number 2 is true. T-R-U-E, true. Number 3. The size of a DVD is 4.1 inches. Is it true? No, it is 4.7 inches. So answer 3 is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Number 4. A byte is equal to 8 bits. Is it true? Yes. 1 byte equals to 8 bit. We have learnt in our chapter 2. So the answer number 4 is true. T-R-U-E, true. Number 5. A pen drive is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. Pen drive is used to copying and moving data? Yes or no? Yes. So the answer number 5 is true. T-R-U-E, true. Question C. Application based questions. First, Sahil could not finish his project work in the class. So he wants to carry the soft copy of the project to his house in order to finish it. which device will you suggest him so as to carry his work? Now Sahil wants his project at home to complete that. So which device he can use to carry the project at home? Yes, he can use either CD, DVD or flash drive. So write down answer 1 is CD, DVD or flash drive. FLASH flash DRIVE flash drive. CD, DVD or flash drive. My handwriting is not good on the screen, but you have to write in good handwriting in your textbook with pencil. Okay. Number 2. Raghav wants to copy 3 movies on a disc and wants to see them at his place. Which device will you suggest him to copy all the movies? Here movies are there. Raghav wants to copy 3 movies. Movies are 1 GB, near about 1 GB or more than 1 GB size data. So if here 3 movies are there, so Raghav can use DVD because the storage capacity of DVD starts from 4.1 GB. Okay, so write down answer 2 is DVD. DVD. You have to write these 3 letters in capital only. Okay. Our next question is question D. Match the following. Here 2 columns are given. We have to join first column with the second column answers. The options are plug and play device, postage stamp size, 4.7 inch in diameter, internal memory and 4.1 GB. So in first column, first question is ROM. Now which answer is related to ROM? Yes, internal memory, because ROM is internal memory. So join ROM with internal memory. Number 2, CD. Which answer is suitable for CD? Yes, 4.7 inch in diameter. So join CD with 4.7 inch in diameter. Number 3, flash drive. Flash drive means pen drive. So pen drive is plug and play device. So join flash drive with plug and play device. Next, DVD. DVD is of 4.1 GB its storage capacity. So join DVD with 4.1 GB. Now the last one is multimedia card, means memory card. So the remaining answer is postage stamp size. So join multimedia card with postage stamp size. Matching is over here. Question E. Multiple choice questions. In short, MCQs. Number 1. Dash stores the information temporarily. Temporarily means for short time. Options are RAM, ROM or both of these. So from these two, which memory is temporary memory? Yes, RAM. So tick the answer A, RAM. Number 2. A flash drive can store up to dash of data. Option A 1 GB, option B 1 TB and option C 152 GB. So storage capacity of flash drive, which option is right? Yes, 1 TB means 1 terabyte of data. So tick the option B in question 2. Number 3. Dash is the main storage medium for computers. Which is the main storage medium for computer? Yes, hard disk. So tick the option A in question 3. Hard disk is the main storage medium for computer. Now students, question F. Answer the following questions. We will write in our notebook because Here only 2 lines are given for writing answers. Now children, here our brain developer exercise is over. Now in next class we will do activity section of chapter 2. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.